Dynamoto stands are easy to adjust for your bike with our unique leaf spring system for the outrigger hooks. So in the square socket on each side of the Dynamoto double-sided rear stand is a leaf spring. Simply install the leaf spring with the toes pointing up at the top of the square opening in the stand, and then with the outrigger hook install it underneath the leaf spring and into the square socket. Prior to installing the Dynamoto double-sided rear stand on your bike for the first time, you need to check the width adjustment of the hooks matches the width between the bobbins on the rear of the bike, and also the height of the hooks. So we have two heights, a low setting and a high setting. You need to choose the one that gives you about an inch or so of clearance of the rear tyre above the floor.